Now example number 2. Example 2. Construct triangle PQR such that angle P 70 degree, angle R 50 degree, QR 7.3 centimeter and construct its circumcircle. So which is the base? QR is the base. So first draw a rough figure. QR, take a QR, okay, as a base 7.3 centimeter. Angle R how much? 50 degree. Angle R 50 degree. And this point QR, so this point is a P, angle P, okay. Now angle P is 70 degree, angle P 70. So how we can be draw angle P? Because side given QR, we want to take a measure of angle R or angle Q, but we cannot be take angle P because this PR is not given. Side PR is not given, this angle P is given. So we know that we want to first find out the angle Q. How we can be find out angle Q? We know that sum of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Angle P plus angle R plus angle Q equal to 180 degree. Angle P how much? 70, 50. Angle Q equal to 180 degree. 120 plus angle Q equal to 180 degree. Angle Q equal to 180. Just transfer this here. Minus 120. Angle Q equal to 60 degree. So we get angle Q. How much? Angle Q equal to 60 degree. Okay. This is the 60 degree. So according to this figure, we right now draw a figure. Just like the first example. First 7.3 centimeter. 7.3 centimeter take as a base. Just give label Q R 7.3. Now measure angle Q. Angle Q how much? Angle Q is a 60 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Just mark and draw a figure. Draw a line. After then angle R 50 degree. See the rough figure. Angle R 50 degree. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. So this is the angle P and this is 70 degree. If you measure this angle P, you can be find out this is 70 degree, 60 degree, 50 degree. Now this is homework for you. Homework. You want to find right now perpendicular bisector of any two sides of this triangle. Okay. So just do as the previous examples, perpendicular bisector of side QR and perpendicular bisector of side PR. So you get point of intersection here. Just take as a center and this R as a center and R as a radius and draw a circle. So after then your circumcircle will be complete. So this is the homework for you. This is 4 or 5 marks example. Now next example number 4. In triangle element LM equal to 7.2 centimeter, angle M equal to 105 degree, MN equal to 6.4 centimeter. Draw triangle element and construct its circumcircle. So again we draw a rough figure. Okay. So which side we take base? See the longest side. Longest side LM. So this is the base LM. How much? 7.2. Angle M 105. So this is the angle N. And MN 6.4. So according to this rough figure, we draw a fair figure. At first we draw circle. At first we draw base 7.2 centimeter. Okay. L M 7.2. Now take angle M as 105 degree. 105. Point on point, line on line. Consider from this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 90 and 100. And after then 110. See, 100, 110. Here is 105. Okay. Just join these 2 points. Okay. Now how much MN? MN is 6.4. So measure the MN. 6.4 centimeter. And draw arc from point M of 6.4 centimeter. 6.4. Okay. Just join. These are the point N. Just join NL. So this we get a perfect figure right now. Okay. Now the next, after then we want to find any two bisector, perpendicular bisector of any two sides. Perpendicular bisector of any two sides. Okay. So we bisect LM. LM. Okay. Take arc above and below the side from point L. Now same process from point M and just give dot. Just give dot and joining this. Joining this. After then we bisect MN. So how we bisect? Take again divider of approximate side and take arc on both sides from point M and from point N. Join this. Okay. So after then, after joining this, perfectly joining this, if there is small distance, you don't get approximate, you don't get perfect figure. Now see, point of intersection of these two perpendicular bisector is out of triangle. Out of triangle. So take it is as a center of circle. This is the radius M or L or N. Take it as a radius and draw circle. Draw circle. Okay. See here. you can be get such type of circumcircle. Okay, big circle. Okay, now the last example, homework. This is the homework. Construct triangle DEF such that DE equal to EF equal to 6 cm, angle F equal to 45 degree, and construct its circumcircle. So at first we want to draw a rough figure. Okay, rough figure. D equal to 6, EF equal to also 6. So this is D and this is F. How much D? 6 cm. How much EF? 6 cm. And angle F, sorry, this is not angle, this is angle E. Angle E 45 degree. Okay, this is the print mistake. Angle E equal to angle E 45 degree. Print mistake of textbook. Take as angle E as a 45 degree. Okay, so this is same examples. At first we want to take a base of 6 cm. 6 cm. Okay, what is the name of base? DE. 6 cm. Measure DE. Up again. Measure. After when we want to draw a EF. So how much EF? 6 cm. Measure EF of divider and now take a point E. Take a point E as a 45 degree. Take point E as a 45 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45 and draw line joining this 2 point 45 degree. Take a divider and measure EF as a 6 cm and draw arc from point E of a 6 cm. 6 cm. This is the point F. Now joining F, DF. Now you want to same process, bisect side DE and side FE and take a center of a circle and draw circumcircle. So this is the examples. You want to do practice, draw a perfect figure. Okay,